If your cat is constantly scratching, it could be due to a variety of reasons. Understanding the root cause can help you to find the right solution. Keep an eye on your cat's behavior and fix any problems to ensure they stay comfortable and healthy. Food allergies are a common cause of itching and scratching in cats. If your cat is allergic to an ingredient in their food, it can lead to itchy skin. To address this, try switching to a different type of food, focusing on changing the protein source first. Choose a high-quality food with fewer filler ingredients for better results and improved coat health. Dry skin can cause your cat to scratch and itch, especially in colder weather. This may happen if the air is dry or if your cat's skin lacks moisture. Regular grooming can help relieve dryness and improve your cat's skin health. If your cat is scratching a lot, they might have fleas. Fleas are common, especially in outdoor cats, but indoor cats can get them too. To prevent fleas, you can use flea collars. Fleas collars help prevent fleas by releasing chemicals that repel or kill fleas on your cat, providing long-lasting protection. Seresto is a vet-recommended flea and tick collar that provides 8 months of continuous protection. It kills and repels pests within 24 hours, without the need for bites, offering hassle-free, non-greasy protection. Diabetes can cause skin itchiness and scratching in some cats, but other symptoms like excessive thirst, urination, and loss of appetite are usually noticed first. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a stable routine can help your cat feel better. Behavioral causes can also lead to excessive scratching in cats. Stress, anxiety, or boredom may cause your cat to scratch or groom obsessively. Providing mental stimulation and stress-reducing activities can help manage behavioral scratching. You can also use a calming pheromone diffuser to create a more relaxed environment for your cat. Fellaway Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser helps reduce stress-related behaviors in cats, like scratching and urine spraying, by mimicking natural calming pheromones. It is drug-free, non-sedating, and provides continuous comfort for up to 30 days. Fungal infections can cause itching, hair loss, and scaly patches on your cat's skin. These infections are contagious, so keep your cat isolated from other pets. If you suspect a fungal infection, use antifungal shampoos to treat it. It helps treat fungal infections on your cat's skin by reducing itching and promoting healing. Veterinary formula antiseptic and antifungal medicated shampoos soothe irritated skin, reduce itching, and promote healthy skin for pets. It is fast-acting, vet-recommended, and safe for both dogs and cats over 12 weeks of age. If the scratching is persistent, it is a good idea to take your cat to the vet for a proper diagnosis and treatment. They can help determine the cause and provide the right solution.